welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited because I am reviewing slash playing with a new Makeup Shayla Colourpop collaboration. So this is her Preception palette, her Preception collaboration, and when I saw that she had collaborated with Colourpop, I was like, yes, Shayla, yes, because you just knew that the pigments were gonna be on point, the price point was gonna be on point, and I just love Shayla. Like I said, I already have some of her collaborations, her Maybelline City Mini palette collaboration and her Tarteist collaboration. Y'all seen this contour kit all the time in all of my videos, so you already know that I am just a big fan of whatever she does. I tried to channel her with my hair, so Shayla's always good for like jet black hair and like elongated bob or just really long hair, but I just thought this would be something new to look. If you need a tutorial on this, because this is a wig that I bought from Amazon, I actually filmed a tutorial last week, and I will link it in like up here. But look, here's a picture. Don't I kind of nail it? Like, isn't this giving you just all Shayla vibes? First of all, if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you, Ishi gang. I am slowly but surely rising, and I see all of your subscribes, and I just love y'all and appreciate y'all and likes and whatnot. If you are not subscribed, well, welcome, and just click subscribe. Like, you kind of like me, so you should just subscribe to my channel. I post 2 times a week. I'm not that annoying. I'm just like the fun cousin type annoying. So just subscribe and we can all continue on, and let's get this video started. Shayla. The collection itself I bought for around 60 bucks, which is a great price point and well within the frame of Colourpop's normal price point as well. And what I really like about this palette is it has a big mirror. This is a lot of real estate. Like, if you can't see your whole face in this mirror, something's wrong. First off, I'm going to use this color Played Out for my crease, and it's going to act as my transition color. And I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray buffing eyeshadow brush in the style 6. That was a lot of pigment on the first swipe, and it shows up really well, and it's just a nice transition color and starting color for like any eyeshadow look. So I've already put on the color Played Out, so I'm gonna go in with this reddish color called Shade and put this on the outer edge of my crease. And I'm going to take this Echo Tools brush, and it's a smudge and a blend combo brush, but I'm gonna take the blend brush. I'm gonna take Revenge. There's a bit of fallout. I think I want to try IE. I haven't done like a green look before, so I'm gonna try IE. But I'm gonna take Played Out, and I'm gonna create a halo eye, so I'm gonna put this on either side and leave the middle open. If you make a mistake, that's fine. That's why I didn't do my concealer or anything yet, because I'm just gonna use my concealer to clean up anything that I do. So I'm gonna take that same Echo Tools brush that has my transitional Revenge color on, and I'm just going to smudge out the top of my crease and just blend it out again. And it's kind of gonna pick up some of that Played Out color and just swirl it onto the crease as well, but it's just gonna kind of marry everything together. So I'm gonna take the color Shade and just drop that on top of Revenge, just because it has a bit of sparkles. I kind of want some of that sparkles to be on either side of my eye. So I'm just going to pack it on the sides, just a tiny bit, just so it has like a bit of sparkle. I'm gonna take some Colourpop Concealer and just put that in the middle of my eye. Take a detail brush that I use for my eyebrows and just create a circle or middle area that I can pack some new shadow on. So taking this BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray collaboration brush in the style 8, I am gonna go in with the color IE in the middle. I'm like, yo, should I just add a little bit of other colors and just see it? But no, I'm gonna keep it like this. So now comes the good part. We need to blend this in and like make it look a little bit cleaner. So I'm taking that brush that has the played out and shade on it and just going over the edges of IE, just so it looks more gradual, and kind of just marrying the sides of the colors together, and even going above into the crease just so it looks a little bit more murky. Taking the other side and just dabbing along the edge, and voila, now it looks kind of gradual and not just like a harsh green in the middle, but more of a blended in green. So I'm only gonna put a little bit of color on my brow bone because I usually put highlighter on there, but I'm going to take this color Unbothered and put that on my brow bone and kind of, again, marry it into the crease because we don't want it to look so distinct. And this will also set a good foundation to make my highlight on my brow bone really pop. Yeah, this is like a nighttime look. Doing like a nighttime look. Okay, we're doing a nighttime look. The green is perfectly blended in, but I kind of wanted to just pop a little bit more, so I'm actually going to take my finger. So I added my lashes. These are the Nicole Guerrero EyeLure collaboration lashes in Casually Glam. They're like my favorite lash of the EyeLure collection besides the Jasmine Brown eyelashes. But I also put on my concealer, my contour, as you can see, my blush, because I kind of just want to finish the eye look and get onto her lipsticks and her highlighter and just kind of show you the collection, and the video would be too long if I showed you my entire like makeup process. So we're going to finish up the eyes. So I'm going to take Played Out and put this on my bottom lash line, followed by shade. So I'm just going to take a smudge brush and line the bottom of my lash line. And I'm going to take some of shade as well and just put this on the outer lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to take the color Strut and Slay because, you know, she says this all the time and I've kind of been wanting to use this color even though I didn't use it for like my main eye look. So I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. And now I'm just gonna add some NYX Worth the Hype mascara to my lower lash line. Like I said, I put blush on already, so I actually want to get to the most exciting part, which are her highlighters. So we have Boomin and we have Pose. So I'm going to put one highlighter on one side of my face and another highlighter on the other side so you can see the difference. Pose is like a rose gold highlight, and then Boomin is like your goldish, kind of almost to the, kind of has a hint of yellow highlight. So I'm gonna put Pose first. And this highlighter should last you a while. I think that these highlighters retail for $7. $7 for a highlighter is like... So I'm going to take it's my Ray Ray BH Cosmetics highlighting brush in the style 5. And I'm just going to take some of this, tap off the excess, and... Can y'all see that? Woo! Okay. Okay, Shayla. But it's pretty pigmented for that first swipe that I did. I'm just going to accentuate top brow and just, yeah. So Boomin. So Pose is more like a pinky highlight, and it's kind of like a natural one. like these are both like pretty natural highlights until like you like go ham on them and then they'll really pop. But this is kind of like a daytime one, and I feel like this is kind of like a nighttime, like it'll show up. But I'm going to add them both together so that I don't look crazy on both sides. And I'm sure y'all ready because this whole video I look like I didn't have no lips. So I'm sure you're ready for me to, you know, try those new lipsticks on. And of course my brow bone. Just gonna put it on the bridge of my nose a bit. In her Colourpop collection, Shayla has 3 lipsticks and 1 gloss. So we're gonna try Ooh first, which is this nude, dusky lip color with like hints of pink undertones to it. And this kind of turns it into like a very like casual, chill look. Next up we have Come On Sis, and this is like a deep mauve-y color, which I love mauves. We all know I love mauves, so I'm kind of excited for this lip color. So this is Come On Sis. I actually like this lip color a lot. Like, this might be my keeper. But let's try her last one, which is Quickie. And this is like another nude, but it's more pinky. And I really feel like you need a liner for this because it's gonna look kind of like ashy if you don't. But she's a big fan of using like very, very light nudes and then a very, very dark brown liner and just mixing it together, and it's like the perfect nude, and it kind of shows you like brown women can wear every nude possible, but they just need like a little liner underneath and then they're good to go. See what I mean about it could be like a bit ashy if you don't have a liner, so I'm just gonna fill it in. So this is Quickie. As you can see, it's like a really pure like nude. And this would be great on like all skin tones, but like I said, I just add a little bit more brown liner to it just so I didn't look so washed out. And now I'm gonna actually try her gloss. So this is Neat Freak. And it's just like a pinkish, like clear liner that can kind of go with everything. Hi everyone, so this is the completed look. I am in love with her collaboration. I just think that she did such a phenomenal job, not only on the packaging, but just like the range of colors. Like you can go from daytime, nighttime, work, like brunch, all types of ways with this color. I kind of feel like she put the best of her like City Mini palettes, so like the brunch neutrals and the graffiti pop into this palette. Not saying that the colors are the same, but just that the 2 different aesthetics that you can get in like her wide range of City Mini palettes, she kind of took the best of those color ranges and put them in this palette with Colourpop. So her Preception palette is 23 bucks. The lipsticks are $7. The gloss is $6. And of course the highlighters are $7 as well. So overall, totally affordable. If you see one that you like from this video and you just want to get one, that's perfectly fine. But I would recommend getting the whole bundle. The whole bundle is only $60. Usually can only get maybe like 1 eyeshadow palette and perhaps a lipstick. So the fact that you're getting 3 lipsticks, a lip gloss, 2 highlighters, and an eyeshadow palette is like phenomenal. I think she did such a great job with this collection. Like I said, the colors are so pigmented and packed. There is a bit of fallout, but it's not a lot to be like, oh my god, I'm losing shadow. Like, this is money because like it's $23. You're not losing like 10 bucks every time that shadow sprinkles out. I'm in love with her highlighters. Her highlighters are so pretty. These lipsticks are also pretty bomb, in the words of Shayla. She is always a big fan of nude lips and like a nude pinky lip. You can see from like all of her photos that she rocks like a nude pinky lip to the fullest. Her mauve color is something that I genuinely like. I'll probably like take this off and put that mauve color on for nighttime. I feel like right now, because I did want to go for a daytime look originally, I kept her Quickie and Neat Freak gloss on just because it's giving me a daytime feel versus like a nighttime feel. But then I can quickly switch on the lipsticks and this will become more of like a nighttime look. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you have any comments below. Let me know if you actually bought the collection and what is your favorite item in her collection. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in a couple days, and have a good week. Bye. Strut and slay. Pose. Okay.